Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis's IC Lab, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a list of the top 5 quadcopters drones that you can get for under $50. So, let's get started. At number 1 is the Cheerson CX-10 Mini. It's a 4-channel mini rolling quadcopter, throw to fly, real 6-axis gyro, low voltage alarm, LED light, for night flying, up, down, left, right, all the basic controls. So that's the description of that. And this list is of just the drones that I've had, basically. I haven't actually had that Cheerson drone, but this is close enough. But I could not actually find this one. It's out of stock right now, and I can't find this exact one anymore, so this is the closest I could find. So, then at number 2 is the Holystone HS-170 Predator Mini IC quadcopter. It has headless security. Each system enables a player of any levels to fly the drone easily. And this list is of ranking them in order of which one I would buy. Number 1 is the best one, and number 5 is like one that they all work great, but number 1 is just not one that I would buy over any of the other ones, really. So the Holystone drone right now is a really easy drone to fly, so if you haven't had a drone before, this is one that I might recommend. But if you've had a drone before, this is just going to not be the best experience with this drone. It's just a pretty easy drone to fly. So that's the Holystone HS-170 Predator. Now moving on to number 3 is the Syma X5C1 upgraded version Explorer quadcopter. And it just is a pretty great drone. The one downside to this drone is that the motors do have a bad tendency to burn out after flying it for a little. Well, this drone right here I've had for like 5 months now or something like that. And it's been working great, so without burning out any motors. But the first time I had it, I burnt out motors like once a week to a month, so that was not great. So this is a drone that's pretty good, but it's a little bit big and the motors do tend to burn out. So coming in at number 4, which is a really good drone. It's pretty inexpensive, only $22 right now. It's the Eacheng E010 quadcopter drone, which is a really good little drone, and I've had it multiple times and I've liked every time. So if you want to just get a good, fun drone to fly around, this is one I'd really recommend. And if you don't have too much money, this is one you could definitely buy. So then coming in at number 5, or maybe I misordered this. This is number 1, the best one. So I may have messed up this video a little bit by saying the wrong number. The Hudson X4 4-channel mini IC quadcopter. It's a really good little drone. I've had it before and it works really great. And it's $25 right now on Amazon, so it's a pretty good deal. And then if you have $50, like this video's top 5 drones under $50, you can get the Hudson X4 quadcopter with there's extra parts and stuff. Well, not extra parts, like extra batteries and more batteries and stuff. So you could get that. And if you have $65, this is the drone that I would definitely recommend buying if you could possibly get a $65. It's the Hudson X4 FPV drone. It's a really amazing micro drone, and you have FPV for only $65. So if you can get the money together, this is the drone that I would definitely recommend. I know it's a little bit more than $50, but I just thought this is one of the best drones I've had for like under $100. So yeah, this is definitely number one, but it's also in with the Hudson X4 drone. It's just this one's basically just has a camera and an antenna. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and oh, and all the links will be in the description if you want to buy one of them yourself. So that's all for this video. Bye.